मॉर्निंग क्लास थ्री आपका आज का साइंस का टॉपिक फॉर टुडे योर साइंस टॉपिक इज़ रिविजन ऑन चैप्टर 5. एज यू नो योर एग्जाम्स आर कमिंग on the way, so you have to be careful while reading. So whatever I'm giving you in this revision, you have to read it and learn it by heart. So let's start. The first question is, what is the function of small intestine? So पहला क्वेश्चन है फंक्शन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का फंक्शन क्या होता है. So small intestine helps to digest food. The nutritional component of the food are absorbed by the blood. So small intestine is a part of digestive system. It comes under digestive system. It helps in digestion. First of all, the food goes from mouth to food pipe to stomach, and then the small intestine it goes and it gets digested, and the nutritional value, the nutritions from that food comes to all body parts through blood. So the blood absorb the nutritional value from the food from and take it from small intestine to all the body parts. Then comes the next question. It is describe the process of digestion. Now the digestive system works as the machine for digestion. Now what is the procedure of digestion? This is what I am going to teach. The food we eat cannot be used by our body in the form that is it is eaten. It is eaten either in solid or liquid form, but the form it is eaten in is not used as it is eaten. ठीक है, इसको चेंज करना पड़ता है. You need to change it into simpler form, and then it gets digested. Everything which is eaten or drank needs to be changed in simpler form, and then it gets digested. It is absorbed by the body. Other than that, you cannot have it the way it is. So for that, the food we eat cannot be used by our body in the form that is it is eaten. जिस फॉर्म में ईट करते हैं उस फॉर्म में नहीं यूज़ होता है. इट हैज़ टू बी चेंज इन टू सिंपल फॉर्म फॉर इट्स प्रॉपर एब्जॉर्प्शन बाई आवर बॉडी. जो उसका प्रॉपर यूज़ है वो तभी हो सकता है जब वो सिंपल फॉर्म में फॉर्म होगा, एंड देन यू यूज़ इट by our body. It is used. This process is known as digestion. So this is the process that is known as digestion. ठीक है, digestion is a process where the food we eat cannot be used by our body in the form that it is eaten. It has to be changed into simpler form for its proper absorption by our body. Now the third and the last question is, what is the importance of reproduction? As I have taught you previously in this chapter, the process of reproduction helps living organisms to produce babies of their own type, kind, of their own personalities. Okay, it is needed for the continuity of life. Life continues because a person who is born has to die. So for their generation to form and to be continued, the life continues, so the generation should be continued, and this generation is taken by their child. So just to continue the life process, the generation process, babies are produced, and this is how reproductive system helps. The babies grows up and looks similar to their parents. This is genetic. Either he or she will look like his or her father or mother, vice versa. Okay, this is the end of this revision, this class also. Thank you, class.